Marhaban, Ana Safaa. Hi, I'm Safaa. Welcome to my channel, Learn with Safaa. In our 5 words a day series, these are the words we are going to learn today. Are you ready? Let's start. The first one, yesterday. Let's repeat, yesterday. Let's see an example. ذهبت إلى الحديقة أمس. I went to the park yesterday. Let's repeat. ذهبت إلى الحديقة أمس. I went to the park yesterday. The next one. اليوم. Today. Let's repeat. اليوم. Today. Let's see an example. Today is Sunday. اليوم الأحد. Let's repeat. اليوم الأحد. Today is Sunday. The next one. Tomorrow. There are 2 ways we can say tomorrow. غدا. بكرة. Let's repeat. غدا. بكرة. Tomorrow. The next one. أسبوع. Week. Let's repeat. أسبوع. Week. The next one. شهر. Month. Let's repeat. شهر. Month. Let's have a small quiz. Let's try to translate. The first one, غدا. The second one, اليوم. I repeat, غدا. اليوم. Let's see the answers. The first one, غدا. Tomorrow. The second one, اليوم. Today. Congratulations! We have completed this lesson today. If you like this video, please share and subscribe for more videos. Wadan Araka Kariban. Goodbye. See you soon.